Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my garden. For those new, my name is Stephen Chin, and on my channel, I promote backyard gardening or farming. I encourage you to start your own food utilizing small or large space. It's a joy and very satisfying. Besides growing food for me and my family, I also sell the overhead at the farmers market. Today we have a farmers market. We are going to the farmers market. Check out my previous video. So I'm now going through the garden to see what I can harvest for the farmers market. So I want to take you along with me. So come on, let's go and see what we can sell at the farmers market today. So I definitely have celery that I can harvest. I have some celery. I have some kalaloo. Do you remember this? 2 weeks ago, this box was full with these type of kalaloo that are actually starting to bolt. So I was saying that I'm gonna clean it up and plant new ones, and look, the new ones. You see how different it is? Look how big the leaves are. And look at these ones. The leaves are small because these already start to bolt. You see there? They start to bolt. So when they start to bolt, they go into seed. You cannot actually save the plant anymore. And look, within 1.5 weeks, look how nice. So after the market, I'm gonna clean up this all, take them out, and put in some new plants. And this will not go to waste, because what I can use, I will use, and the rest will turn into compost. I also have some bok choy for the market. Here we have bok choy. I have bok choy. I have some on my vertical garden. Watch my video, vertical garden. Yep. Okay, so let's start the harvest. Join me with the harvest and let's see what we will have at the end. Okay. Harvesting the celery. Now I'm gonna harvest the bok choy. All these bok choy. Some here. So you can actually cut the mature leaves instead of taking out the whole plant. But at the farmers market, the customers, they love to see the whole plant, all the stems. Okay. Okay, so this is my bok choy harvest. A table full. I'm now gonna wash them, clean them up, and pack them. This is my celery harvest. 2, 4, 6, 7 of them. I'm gonna pick at least 2 packs of kalaloo. See if I can get that. Kalaloo. Nice bundle here already. Much kalaloo today because, as I said, they start to bolt, so I have to replant new ones. So this is what it looks like now. Container empty, planter's box empty, and this box empty. But as I told you in the previous video, I'm doing succession growing, so I have a whole bunch of bok choy that will be ready by next week. And there I also have some seedlings that will go in today. I have some seedlings there as well. So this is staggered farming, succession growing. Always make sure you have plants ready for the next crop. Okay, I'm gonna wash them now with some hot water, and then I will pack them. So see you, stay tuned. So this is what I have for the market. Kalaloo, bok choy, celery, and my famous pepper, escovitch. I also have 1 bundle of tireblood. I also have some celery plants. There we go. So we good to go. Enjoy the farmers market, the social interaction with the others, vendors, the sharing of experience and knowledge between the farmers. That is what I like from the farmers market. Okay, See you at the farmers market. Okay, so here we at the farmers market. We already sold some of the bok choy. We had 7, now we have 5 left. Here's the pepper, celery, and I have some celery here to sell. So we see kind of busy today. So what we have left is 3 pepper. Oh, there we had 7 of them. Now how much left? 3, 4, 4. There we sold 2. That's an order, so that has to be delivered. There's an order as well. So not too bad. How are we doing here? So we have diff left. Hey buddy, watch him there. You see yourself? Okay, there it is.
Different essential oils, natural deodorants, and then you have
This is what we left with.
butter, and then you
Just
have remedies if you can't see, or hormonal issues,
3 of this and 2 of this. This is already ordered, so we're heading home now. We're gonna deliver this and then we're heading home.
yeah, it helps you with different things.
Good. So people, it's been a couple of hours after the market. This is the one of the boxes I'm gonna replant, and then I show you the end result. So I'm gonna dig the ground first, dig it all up, and then put some new compost, and then we're gonna plant it. So these are the seedlings ready to be transplanted. I dig up the soil already, so ready to be transplanted. Let's go. So here we go, ready to live the new life. You will see that I space them out, give them good space between each other. Once you do that, they will grow huge. they will grow bigger. Give them enough space so they don't block the sun from each other, and they will grow bigger. Look at that. Today I'm gonna take out these callaloo and plant new ones because these are starting to bolt and the leaves are getting smaller and smaller. And if you look, you will see that they are looking wilted. So I'll take them out because they are bolting and they're not producing like before. Good example is with this one. This one was replanted a week ago, and look at the leaves. And then this one, look at the leaves, small. Okay, all right, stay tuned. So I root them up, they're out. We'll replenish and revive the soil and then plant new one. Those plants that I took out will go into the compost heap, so nothing is lost, nothing is wasted. So here I have added some new rich soil, compost mixed with chicken manure and yard soil, garden soil. See how nice it is. Okay, so I'm gonna start plant the transplants. There we have it. So around 1.5 weeks, I'll show you the progress of these plants. Callaloo. So thank you, my beautiful people. This is now the end of the video. Thank you for being with me from morning and through the farmers market. Appreciate your time. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment. Look out for more epic videos. So have a good day, a good night, or a good afternoon. Bye. Ciao.